Hey YouTube, Facebook, hope you guys are having a great day. Thanks for tuning in and subscribing to our YouTube channel and liking us on Facebook. Appreciate that. And when you follow us, guys, again, we have a lot of tools, tips, and techniques to help you with your floor care, to extend the life of it and help it stay looking beautiful. Whether it's hardwood, carpet, tile and grout, we got you covered. So today we're doing a vacant house that I put on the market. We're steaming the carpets out, as you can see. Responding pretty good. Beautiful. They had some heavy soil, some stains, and we were able to reverse that and get it taken care of. It's turning pretty good. Hope you guys are having a great day, like I said, and thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and comment. This client had a total of 4 areas, and we charge $60 per area, and odor control, we charge $45 per area, and yeah, all is well. And today we're just steaming it out and extracting it and neutralizing the fibers so it's soft again. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. All right, that's going to do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you soon. Thanks for tuning in today, guys. Facebook, YouTube. We're at it again, doing some carpet cleaning. We got a total of 4 areas, and we are cleaning the carpets today. And it's responding well, as you can see. We got this done. We still have this to do, and it's responding great. Check it out here. We're steaming it out. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Call us if you need us. Make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and like us on Facebook. Appreciate you tuning in, and call us when you need us. We do offer all floor care services, including carpet and also hardwood floors and tile and grout. We also restore it and we also replace it. So we do it all. All right, guys, that's going to do it. See you soon. Looking good.